Nature can be both breathtaking and terrifying. Today, we're counting down the top 10 natural disasters in history. Events that shook the earth, destroyed cities, and changed the lives of millions. From colossal earthquakes to storms that swallowed coastlines, these events remind us of nature's might and humanity's vulnerability. Let us begin this exploration of our planet's raw, untamed power. Our countdown begins with Hurricane Katrina in 2005, a storm that starkly illustrated the fragility of modern infrastructure. As Katrina made landfall, its powerful storm surge overwhelmed New Orleans levees, transforming the city into a desolate, watery landscape. Thousands lost their lives and hundreds of thousands were displaced, revealing deep-seated issues of inequality and preparedness. On Boxing Day 2004, a colossal undersea earthquake off the coast of Sumatra triggered a series of devastating tsunamis. Waves reaching heights of over 30 meters swept inland, obliterating everything in their path and causing an estimated death toll exceeding 230,000 people. The Indian Ocean tsunami highlighted the critical need for effective tsunami warning systems, which have since been implemented. In April 1815, Mount Tambora in Indonesia erupted, ejecting vast quantities of ash and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. The eruption caused a significant drop in global temperatures, leading to the year without a summer in 1816, with unseasonal frosts, heavy rains and crop failures. Tambora's legacy is a chilling reminder of how volcanic activity can have profound, planet-altering consequences. In November 1970, the Bola cyclone struck East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, with winds over 185 kilometers per hour and a colossal storm surge. The lack of adequate warning systems and evacuation plans contributed to the catastrophic loss of life, with estimates ranging from 300,000 to 500,000 people. The Bola cyclone remains the deadliest tropical cyclone in world history. On May 12, 2008, a massive earthquake struck Sichuan province in China, registering a magnitude of 7.9. The quake toppled buildings, triggered landslides, and led to the deaths of nearly 70,000 people, with thousands of children trapped in collapsed schools. The disaster prompted a massive relief effort and a re-evaluation of building codes and earthquake preparedness in China. On January 12, 2010, a magnitude 7.0 earthquake struck near Haiti's capital, Port-au-Prince, causing widespread devastation. Buildings crumbled, and the human toll was staggering, with estimates of deaths ranging from over 100,000 to more than 300,000 people. The earthquake overwhelmed Haiti's institutions and triggered a massive international aid response. The 1931 China floods were a series of devastating inundations along China's major river systems, primarily the Yangtze and Yellow rivers. The floods caused an estimated death toll ranging from hundreds of thousands to as many as 4 million people, making it the deadliest natural disaster in human history. The disaster highlighted the immense challenge of managing China's mighty rivers. The summer of 2003 saw Europe gripped by a relentless heat wave, the hottest summer on record for the continent in at least 500 years. The sustained extreme temperatures caused upwards of 70,000 excess deaths, particularly among the elderly and those with pre-existing health conditions. The event prompted significant changes in public health strategies and urban planning to mitigate the impacts of future extreme heat events. The 2019-2020 Australian bushfire season, known as the Black Summer, saw fires engulfing vast tracts of forest and grassland. The fires burned an estimated 18.6 million hectares, killed or displaced nearly 3 billion animals, and pushed many species closer to extinction. The Black Summer was a stark illustration of the profound impact of climate change on fire regimes. On January 23, 1556, a catastrophic earthquake struck northern China, primarily affecting the provinces of Shaanxi and Shaanxi. The earthquake caused the collapse of yaodongs, cave-like structures, burying their inhabitants alive, and resulting in an estimated death toll of 830,000 people. The 1556 Shaanxi earthquake remains the deadliest earthquake in recorded history. These disasters remind us how small we really are, and the profound lesson in humility they offer. Each event has contributed to our understanding of the natural world and spurred advancements in prediction, preparedness, and response. Join us at Curiosity Box as we continue to explore the wonders and challenges of our Earth, seeking knowledge and fostering a deeper connection with the forces that shape our lives and our destiny.